And action. No. Hello. Today's look is my date night makeup look. I think it's cute. This is this is so simple that I could do it in my sleep. It's my favorite look ever. Hope you enjoy. All right. So to start with, I'll use MAC Face and Body Foundation. My very dirty makeup sponge. Did I get my jumper dirty already? No, we're good. We're good. It's a bus. 7 in the morning. Cool. Concealer. This is Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless with the assistance of a bus. I'll use that just under the eyes, and then I'll use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder all over the face. For bronzer, I'm using this Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer in the shade Light. Looks kind of dark on me, but this is a MAC 135 brush, by the way. For blush, I'm using this Bobbi Brown French Pink. Where is it? Who did I show it to? Where am I? Okay, this looks crazy on camera when it really isn't. So we'll see how that goes. For highlight, I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle. Just enough. And then I go back in with the same blush brush, that's a Morphe E4, just over the apples of the cheeks. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's very intense, but that's the point. The face is done. Beautiful. Now for the eyes, I have this Z palette that I filled with a bunch of neutral shadows. Most of them are from MAC, to be honest. But use whatever works for you. Is this brush dirty? No, we're good. So this is a Morphe M218 brush. It's a big fluffy brush. I'm using Soft Brown by MAC in the crease. I'm not using any eyeshadow base because it's a more natural look. It's not like it's a bright color that needs a base. Plus, I have used concealer and set the concealer, so there is a base for the shadow already. Now with this brush that doesn't have a name on it, it's an angled brush, but it's kind of fluffy and a bit dirty, but that's okay, that's fine. I'm using MAC Brown Script. I love this color. It's like a rich warm brown, just in the outer corner. And then I'm going back in with the previous brush to blend it. Now for the main lid color, I'm using MAC All That Glitters. Any eyeshadow brush will do. This color is so pretty. Now you can leave it as it is, but I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter. This is a Colourpop This is Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Frog. Can you see that? It's pink and sparkly and it's very intense. I always use my finger with these. I'm only putting that in the center of the lid so that when you blink, you can flash people. So sparkly. And this is honestly it. I'm gonna do mascara. I'm using my trusty Maybelline Lash Sensational. There we go. For eyebrows, I'm using this MAC eyebrow gel. For lips, I'm using MAC Subculture lip liner. I'm losing my voice. Have some lip balm on. That's how you take it off. I love this lip liner because it needs sharpening, because it is pretty much my lip color, so it gives me a little bit of definition without being too obvious. Most of the times I just have the lip liner and I blend it in with some lip balm and that's it. Right, I was gonna use a different lip color, but I can't find my lipstick, so here it goes. We're using this Bobbi Brown, are you Bobbi Brown? Yeah, Bobbi Brown Pink Mauve lipstick. It's kind of like a nudie, whatever. Just a little bit. This is a bit darker, but it's fine. It's fine. At this point, I am going to blend it out with my lip balm. This is my, you know, these little ones. And there you go. Alrighty. And we're done. This is probably my favorite look, like ever. This is what I do all the time. This is what I was wearing on Christmas Day to Skype the family. I think it's cute and like, you know, fun and flirty, but still quite natural, I think. I know it's a lot of makeup, but it looks natural to me. Anyways,